day, everyone. In the church calendar, we are now in the season of Lent. We started with what we call Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday is the beginning of Lenten season with the imposition of the ashes on the forehead, coupled with the practice of fasting and abstinence, almsgiving, and prayer. These three pillars of our observance of Lent enables us to forget ourselves and focus our love and attention to God and our neighbors. As you may observe, by fasting, almsgiving, and prayer, we think and do less for ourselves. We give up something that we used to do or even love to do. We do this so that we can give up that which are valuable and important to us, such as food, comfort, resources, and time, and share it to those who are in need, the poorest of the poor. Through these religious practices at the beginning of this season of Lent, we are being prepared to enter more deeply into the celebration of this Lenten season. That is, repentance, conversion, and deeper union with God. The Lenten season provides us 40 days to benefit from this opportune time and make good use of these days in prayer, examination of our lives, reflection, and celebration of God's love. During these 40 days of encountering God in the wilderness of our lives, we are being led to a deeper realization that truly God is mercy and love. As we continue to live up to the demands of this season of Lent that is asked of us, may we claim our belovedness as children of a merciful and loving Father. As we see ourselves unworthy of His mercy and love, may we receive and acknowledge freely and spontaneously the love that knows no bound, so that our celebration of Easter may truly be a meaningful and joyful one. A blessed Lenten journey to one another.